Welcome again to the Valuehub YouTube channel. Building on our promise to explore Slack comprehensively, this video focuses on setting up your Slack workspace for optimal collaboration. Get ready to dive deeper into practical configurations and strategies that will empower you to harness Slack's full potential. In this video, we will create a Slack account followed by setting up the Slack workspaces. So without further ado, let's begin. Let's go to slack.com. After visiting the Slack homepage, we will find a couple of things over here. We can sign up with email address or use a Google account to do it. We will sign up with Google, and now I need to provide my email. Now my password, and click next. And that's it. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes to get it done. We can close it and just refresh this page and click on sign up with Google again. Click on our email, confirm. This is how we can create a Slack account. Before creating the Slack workspace, let's understand what is it in the first place. So a Slack workspace is made up of channels where team members can communicate and work together. It is more like a container of channels. The free, pro, and business plus plan has only one workspace, whereas the enterprise grid has multiple. That's why there is a slight difference in the steps in its creation. Let's check out both one by one. To create a workspace in a single workspace plan, we need to go to slack.com and click on the sign in button if you are not already signed in. So we are already on the home page, so we can see the create a workspace button over here. We will click on this button and it will lead us to the workspace creation page. So the first step is what would be the name of our workspace. There are some things we should consider while providing the name. It should be unique and relatable to our business so our team can recognize it easily. Let's name the workspace as Value Hub YouTube and we will click next. As you can see on the sidebar, the name of our workspace is visible. But below that, there is nothing yet. Keep an eye here as well. You will notice something shortly. I will provide my name. And you can see here it's asking my profile photo. This step is optional, but we should provide our profile photo so that our team members can find and connect with us easily. So I will click on edit photo and I will choose a profile photo and click on the save button and it will save my profile photo. I will click next. Did you notice something? As soon as I clicked on the next button, the direct messages section was created automatically, indicating that the user has joined the workspace. Now we will add other members to this workspace. There are a couple of ways we can add members. We can add them using their email or from Google Contacts. Alternatively, we can add them by using the invite link. The invite link is usually used to mass invite people and can be used by up to 400 members. Let me add a user with his email. I will click over here. Did you miss it again? Comment down below if you did not. As soon as I click on this email, his chat is displayed under the DM section. Let me click next. Remember, I told you to keep an eye on the sidebar. We can see the channel section. popped up under the sidebar. It means that we are now creating the channel under our workspace. By creating Slack channels aligned with your company structure and using clear, predictable naming guidelines, you can ensure that your workspace is organized and easy to navigate. For example, if you want to create a channel based on your company department, you can use naming conventions like design, marketing, finance, etc. Let's say you want to create an announcement channel and your company is global. So you can create announcement global. Or if you want to create an announcement channel just for the engineering team, you can name that channel as announcement engineering. So this name will indicate this channel is just for the engineering team. So before creating the channel, let us see the concept of prefix in Slack. These are mostly used channel prefixes in Slack. We use prefixes to organize and let the members find the right channel hassle-free. For example, we can use the help prefix to ask questions or find information. We can use the team prefix for the teams to collaborate together. We can use prefix project to work for a project and so on. This workspace is dedicated to YouTube tutorials by ValueHub. There will be surely other training videos as well. Let us create multiple channels which will cater to different training. We will start with Slack. So let's name this channel Slack by ValueHub. So one thing I'd like to mention here, I have written Slack space by space ValueHub, but Slack automatically replaced the spaces with dash. So I will click next. It's time to create other channels. To create a channel in Slack, go to the channel section and click on the drop down button. Click on create and then create channel. Now we will create a couple of more channels that will cater to different training sessions by ValueHub. We will name this channel Data Cloud by ValueHub. We will click on next. Keep this channel as public and click create and click done. Let us create a couple of more channels. Click on channel section, create and then create channel. Let us name this channel as Manufacturing Cloud by ValueHub. And click on next. Keep this channel public, click create and done. Again, add a couple of more channels under the channel section, create and create a channel. FSL by ValueHub. Next, create. Hang on for the last channel. Click on channel section, create and create a channel. Loyalty, oops, loyalty management by ValueHub. Click next, create and done. Let me show how we can create a workspace in an enterprise grid. First, we need to go to our organization settings. Let me show you how we can create a workspace in an enterprise grid environment. So let's go to our Slack app. First, we need to go to our organization setting by clicking on the org name. Then click on tools and settings, and under tools and settings, click on org settings. Alternatively, if you know the URL of your org, you can directly go to the org settings page by entering the URL. Let me show that as well. Open a new tab, type the URL of your org and press enter. This is how you can go to your org setting. We will click on the workspace section, and over here we can see create workspace button. We will click on this button and provide the name. We will provide the same name. In enterprise grid org, we need to provide the workspace domain as well. So we will write Value Hub YT. Now the description section is optional, but we will provide it so that our team members can find and know what Workspace is about. We will, ri- we will provide the description. Now we will click on next. So it says that this domain has already taken. We will change it to YT Value Hub. Let's see. Here it is asking how the members can access this workspace. We have four options over here. Let's discuss it all one by one. Open means that anyone who has joined our org can search and be added to this workspace. By request means that the member can be added only after requesting the admin. And the third one, by invite only means members must be invited by a workspace owner or admin to join the workspace. And the last but not the least is hidden workspace. This setting means that it will be hidden from the rest of the organization. Only workspace owners and admins can see and invite members to this workspace. So we will keep this open and click on create a workspace. And now our workspace is created. You can see the dashboard of our workspace. There are zero members, zero groups, apps, and nothing in this workspace. As I have created the workspace, so I should be the member of this workspace. We will just refresh this page. And after refreshing the page, this page will show a member. Yeah. Here we can see one member. After creating the workspace, you can open your workspace by clicking over here. This is how your workspace looks like. Under the resource all, we can see a drop-down menu where it says all workspaces. It means that all the workspaces created under the resource all can be shown here. We can select specific workspaces as well. So we will click on Value Hub YouTube series. Now we are going to see the workspace customization. We will click on the org name followed by tools and settings and then workspace settings. It is asking which workspace we are going to customize. We will click on this button and select our newly created workspace and click on open. This is how the settings page looks like. Under the account section, we can see customize button. After clicking this button, we can customize our workspace. We can see that there are a couple of sections over here. The first one is emoji. In Slack, we can add our custom emojis by clicking on add button, then upload an image, and we can name that emoji as well. So in place of profile photo, let me provide my name and click save. After refreshing the page, we can see that my workspace has one custom emoji. The Slackbot section allows to send automatic response whenever a member sends the specific message. Clicking on the add button, we can see two fields over here. In the first field, we can specify the text that will trigger the bot. Let us provide, and in the second field, let us command the Slackbot to respond with this sentence. So whenever a user types, hey, the Slackbot will reply with this sentence. So I will click save. Now it's time to see it practically. We will go to our Slack org and we'll select from this drop-down menu our newly created workspace. So in the general channel, let me provide the triggered text. See, the bot replied with our provided text. Let us see if we find our custom emoji we have just uploaded into Slack workspace. Hover over the message and click on the reaction button and type my name. Rizvi. We can see that this photo is available over here. Let's go back to our workspace settings. So here we can see workspace icon section, profile photo. We will now be changing our Slack workspace, we will click on choose file and then click on the desired image and click on upload icon. Now it is rendering the icon and we will scroll down, click on crop icon and we are done. The workspace icon has been changed. Let's see it in our all. Click on the all and here we can see the workspace icon has been changed successfully. Now we will see the statuses. The status on the profile helps the other users to know what is the person up to. It makes the collaboration go smoothly. Here are predefined statuses and we can change them as well. What we need to consider is some short text and suitable emojis and set the clearance time. So these are predefined. We can change it by just clicking on this field, select the field, change this. Let us provide a good status text in our session. Click on the emoji and based on the text, we can search the emoji SESSION. No, there is no emoji related to this session. Now we will try some different text. Let's presume that we are the session speaker. So the speaker can also be known as teacher. Now we will search teach and we can see a couple of emojis over here. So I will select this one. And for the clearance time, I think 1 hour should be enough. Click save. Now the last section is channel prefixes. As we've already discussed about this, let's see what this section offers. There are some predefined prefixes such as health, cost, and team. We can add our company specific prefix or we can remove some of the prefixes by clicking on X button. Let us see how we can add prefixes. We will click on add prefix button. Then here we can see two options. One, the prefix. So as this is a YouTube series workspace, we will provide YT as the prefix and the description. We will provide its description. I'll click on save and now we can see we have four prefixes. Let's see how we can use this in our all. Let's go to our all. Click on the channels. Here we can find channels, create and create channel. Here select the workspace, create next. Now we can see that YT is showing over here. If we click on this, now it's asking the further information about this channel. YT new series. We'll click next. Keep this channel as private. Click create. So now we have created a new private channel into Slack. We will click on skip for now. You might be wondering why we are just clicking on skip for now so many times. This is because in our upcoming videos, we will check out these steps in detail. So please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for the further videos. So this is how we can set up and customize our workspace based on different requirements. Our next steps will be to delve deep into user management. We will see in detail how we can manage users in Slack efficiently. For successful Slack implementation, please connect with us at connect@valuehub.com and subscribe to this ValueHub channel. And don't forget to be with us on our other social media accounts to get daily insights. Thank you for watching.